Hi everybody. Now, several months ago I did a video where I uploaded to my GitHub a Pioneer tent and .dze file with the idea that you could load these tents into various places across your map, and it would give your server players some nice building resources, kind of all in one place. You know, there's hammers, nails, saws, various kits, bags, generators, piles of wood, barrels, that sort of thing. And then I thought that was all very well and good, but what about people who maybe want a little bit more help to do it? So what I did, or what I've done, is I've copied and pasted these let's call them Pioneer Core tents around several locations in Chernarus. So you could either tell your server players where they are, or you could choose not to, and they could just be something nice that they come across and go, oh right, this is brilliant. Now, however, you must be aware that these will suck up things from your central loot economy, so you'll want to adjust accordingly. So if you're running, for example, a vanilla server or a server where the loot is reduced, these things will suck those things out of the economy, and you'll only end up finding them at the tents, which may or may not be a good thing. But what you may want to do is go into your types.xml and increase the number of the stuff. Now, where are these tents, do you say, and how do I install it? Well, it's all very easy. So the tents are over here. This is where they are, scattered around Chernarus. I may well do a Livonia one. We'll have to see if I get some time. And if you want to install them, it couldn't be easier. All you need to do is go over to my GitHub repository. There will be a link in the description below the video. And on my GitHub repository, there's some photos that show you the different tents and where they are, interior of one of the tents, where the tent is, as I just said. And then the files you're really interested in are the churn builder tents.json and the churn pioneer tents.dze and the readme.txt. For people who are familiar with installing custom JSONs, you'll just want to hit code, download zip, extract them locally, and you'll just upload the churn builder tents.json to your community server, refer to it in your CFG gameplay.json, restart, and you'll be ready to go. Also, if you are familiar with the DayZ editor mod, I have included the original .dze file, so you can just import that into DayZ editor and change, copy and paste some more somewhere else if you wanted to, or change them, whatever you want to do. Feel free to use that as you wish. For people who are a little bit rusty or haven't done this sort of thing before, the README contains step-by-step instructions on how to install this file on your community server, whether that be for PC, Xbox, or PlayStation community server. It's very, very easy. Just follow it step by step. And the beauty with JSON files, custom JSON files, is that they're incredibly consistent and reliable, and they just work. But the problem with them is, by using a JSON file, you're not spawning things in the way that DayZ wants you to spawn things in. So just be aware of that. Excuse me. Where's me gun? Why isn't my gun facing? Oh, looks like my character may well be a little bit bugged. So I'm gonna have to leave it at that. Remember, get the JSON file from my GitHub repository, which will be in the description below the video. And of course, I'll see you again soon.